Hi. Welcome to Australian Polytechnic Institute. This short video will demonstrate how to navigate a course on myAUPI. AUPI's course layout is very simple to follow. It is unique in design, easy to master, and similar across all AUPI courses. Our course design is self-explanatory, and you will not require to reinvent the wheel each time you enroll on a new course with us. However, it is highly essential to know how your courses are arranged in the online learning space, so you can find learning activities easily and quickly. Mastering course navigation will significantly enhance your learning efficiency and positive experience. To access a course, you will require to go to your dashboard in myAUPI. Scroll down and you will find all the units where you are enrolled. You may not find any course in your dashboard if you are not currently enrolled on any course, or the course hasn't started yet. Access to any course is usually available from 1 week before the start date. If you can't find your course within the due time, please contact our student services. Click on the Course tab to access your course. The course page will pop up. Now let's navigate the course layout. The course layout starts with a description and video window on the course overview. The video will play if you click on the video window. You will find the learning outcome of the course underneath the video window. On the rightmost column, you will find the learning activity calendar and your enrollment status in the course. If you scroll down, you will find the name of the course and the administrative tabs. Introduction to the course provides introductory and housekeeping information and materials. The Student Services tab can directly take you to the Student Services page. Academic Support provides general learning materials and academic information. The Webinar and Class Lectures tab will provide access to the lecture timetable and pre-recorded class lecturers. Please note, pre-recorded class lectures may not be available for all courses. Let's scroll down further and go to the Academic Activity tabs. These tabs consist of learning materials and a wide range of academic activities. Depending on your course, these tabs may represent specific units of studies, chapters, or different parts of a course. Please watch the next video tutorial, Access Learning Material, to learn how to access the learning materials and activities of a course. Thank you so much for the time to watch this video, and consider AUPI as your trusted education provider. For information and other courses, please visit our website aupi.com.au or write to us at info@aupi.com.au.